Every year, lakhs of students across India prepare for one dream IIT, and among all IITs, one institute is famous not only for engineering but also for startups, corporate exposure, research, and allied placements. Indian Institute of Technology Delhi, a place where students crack top international placements, build startups, win global competitions, and compete with some of the smartest minds in India. But behind the huge placement numbers, behind the social media hype, what's the reality of IIT Delhi? Is it really the India's best engineering college, or is there another side students rarely talk about? Today we are going deep inside IIT Bombay campus, hostels, academic placements, startup culture, peer groups, and the actual student experience. So sit back because this is not just a college, this is the reality of India's most competitive institution. Welcome to Dekho Result official YouTube channel. So, detailed review of Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Established in 1961, Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi is one of India's most prestigious engineering institutes. Located in Hose Khas, New Delhi, the campus size is almost 325 acres. The institute is considered among the elite IITs alongside IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, but IIT Delhi has a unique identity. Why? Because IIT Delhi perfectly combines academic rigor, startup culture, corporate research opportunities, coding and tech culture, strong alumni network. And one major advantage its Delhi location. Unlike many isolated campus, IIT Delhi students get easier access to corporate office, conference, startup events, internship, networking opportunities, which creates huge career advantage. You can also see some of the images are displayed here. A class image is displayed of IIT Delhi, and you can see the building of IIT Delhi. The institute is known for combining this corporate exposure and startup opportunities. You can see the arrival house of IIT Delhi, and the building is also displayed here. And now coming to the next topic, the campus review. The IIT Delhi campus is located in South Delhi near Hoskas and is considered one of the best urban campus in India. One of the biggest strengths of IIT Delhi is its urban campus experience. Imagine this, you are inside one of the India's busiest cities, Delhi, but inside IIT Delhi, the environment suddenly feels peaceful and academic. Students often describe the campus as green, energetic, professional, opportunity driven, and campus highlights include modern labs, research centers, sports facilities, libraries, and innovation hubs, startup incubation centers. The Delhi location changes everything because student gets better internship, industry exposure, easier networking, startup ecosystem, easier access to events and conference. Students say the campus feels peaceful despite being inside Delhi. You can see the campus review here. The sports complex is also shown, and the forest area of IIT Bombay, sorry, IIT Delhi is also shown here. And you can also review the campus review. Here the full view of IIT Delhi is shown here. See, the building is also displayed, the front view and the back view, and along with this the main building is also displayed here, and the main campus is shown here. Now let's discuss the reality most students discover only after entering IIT Delhi, that is academic review, academic pressure. Difficulty level is extremely high. Many students say that there are continuous assignments, surprise quizzes, relative grading, heavy coursework, competitive peer pressure. Now, relative grading becomes especially stressful because your grades are compared with classmates when your classmates includes JEE toppers, Olympiad, competitive coders, researchers. Maintaining a high CGPA becomes difficult. Now, talking about the professors and attendance. So, the professors' experience are mixed. Some professors are globally recognized researchers. Some teaching methods are heavily theoretical. Self-learning plays a huge role. This research work is internationally respected. Now, branch-wise competition. The branch matters a lot in IIT Delhi. Talking about the top branches, computer science engineering is considered as one of the best branch at IIT Delhi, and other branches includes mathematics and computing, electrical engineering, engineering physics, mechanical engineering. Fast growing areas at IIT Delhi include artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, robotics, semiconductor technology, quantitative finance, and product management, which makes IIT Delhi much more dynamic than a traditional engineering institute. Now, let's talk about one of the most memorable part of IIT Delhi, that is hostel life, hostel days, hostel review. Facilities include Wi-Fi and LAN connectivity and reading rooms, sports and recreation, best facilities, common room. Most undergraduate students stay on campus. And along with this all, there are 13 plus hostels at IIT Delhi. You can see the image of the room is displayed here, and the hostel building is also displayed here. And along with this, the arrivally house is also displayed. House life at IIT Delhi is one of the most memorable part for a student. But hostel reality is mixed. Some hostels are modern and comfortable, while some older hostels need renovation. Student also mentioned summer heat can become difficult, mess quality varies, maintenance issues exist in some hostels. But despite these issues, hostel life remains one of the strongest part of IIT Delhi. You will still find student coding, gaming, preparing for internship, discussing startups, and talking about the hostel review. Food, student opinions are mixed. Some hostels are modern and some older hostels need renovation. Mess food quality varies. Some reviews criticize hostel maintenance. This is where IIT Delhi truly become energetic and opportunity driver. Student life at IIT Delhi is energetic and opportunity drive. The one of the India's biggest cultural festival happens at IIT Delhi, Ramjas and Trist Technical Festival with competition and innovation showcase. Here you can see the Trist 2023 event is shown here, and I love Trist image is also displayed here, and the second festival is also displayed here. And along with this, you can also see the hostel review. Here the hostel sitting place is shown, room facility is also available, a gaming source is also available, and along with this, the hostel culture is very active. Night discussion is going on. Gaming and modern cultural are fantastic, and departmental and hostel competitions are also there. Now coming back again to student life review, these two festivals happens thrice and one more dead. And now club and societies. IIT Delhi has coding club, robotics club, finance societies, dance and music clubs, literary clubs, gaming communities. Students often say the campus offers unlimited opportunities if you actively participate. You can see the student live review is shown. Student playing in baseball is shown here, and the Gaurav Divas dance is also displayed here. You can also see the IIT Delhi student participating and coding, or they are doing robotic works, etc. A class image is also displayed here. Now comes the most discussed topic, placements. IIT Delhi placement are among the best in India. Average placement rates, like for computer science engineering student it is 35 LPA to 55 LPA, and for other core branches electrical it is 25 to 40 LPA, and for other core branches it is 15 LPA to 30 LPA. And now talking about the top recruiters or top companies that comes to IIT Delhi are Google, Microsoft, Apple, Uber, Goldman Sachs, Nvidia, quant companies, and along with these, international offers are also made to students, still available but fewer than before. But here the reality student mentioned not everyone get dream packages. Coding culture is highly competitive. Skill matters more than IIT tag alone. Internships are extremely important. Recent hiring slowdowns also affected placement percentage across many colleges. So IIT Delhi provides huge opportunities. But success still depends heavily on performance and skills. You can see IIT Delhi has one of the India's strongest startup ecosystem. We are going to review startup culture, startup environment, active cells are present, students are actively participating in hackathons, investor networking is going on, incubation support is also provided. Many successful founders and startup leaders are IIT Delhi alumni. The peer group is one of the institute's biggest strength. You will find JE toppers, researchers, startup founders, Olympiad achievers. The peer group can motivate rapid growth but can also create pressure. And strong startup culture because of hackathons, networking, venture building, and entrepreneurship. Now, coming to the next topic, that is fees, the fee structure and return of investment. So, the tuition fee include 1 to 2 lakh per annum and hostel plus mess fee is 30,000 to 60,000 per year. And coming to next, the schedule of fee applicable is also displayed here. You can see for MTech and for BTech student it is displayed, and for BTech student it is normally this, and for MTech student, for general and SC students it is 17 into 5k, and tuition fee for SC/ST student it is completely zero, and you have to only provide the other charges, and all full time PhD students it is 7,500, and for SC/ST student the tuition fee is completely zero and other charges are 22k 400. And scholarship, good financial aids available for SC/ST students. EWS merit scholarships are also provided. One Reddit student shared the scholarship covered most expenses due to low family income, and the gender ratio is still male dominated in many branches but improving gradually. Now, mental pressure and stress reality. Important honest point, academic stress is real, comparison cultural exists. There are online discussion criticizing institutional heading of student issues. Students who manage time, friend circle, skills, health usually enjoy IIT Delhi much more. Pros: strong IIT brand value, excellent placement, Delhi location advantage is one of the biggest advantage. Great startup culture is also available. Amazing peer group you will get. Strong coding environment is also present. Excellent festival and club. And talking about cons, very high competition, stressful academic, some professors are theory heavy, and not everyone get dream placement. Now, the IIT Tech alone is not enough. Success depends on your consistency, your skills, your networking, and your media discipline. Now, who should join IIT Delhi? You should consider IIT Delhi if you enjoy technology and innovation, you can handle competition, you want a strong placement, you are interested in startups or research, avoid joining only for social media hype or packages or IIT Tech alone. You want exposure in Delhi cooperative ecosystem. Now, talking about the overall rating, so for campus we will give 9 out of 10, for placement it is 9.5 out of 10, and the hostel life it is 8 out of 10 because IIT Bombay ranks higher than IIT Delhi in hostel life, and academics is 8.5 out of 10, and startup culture is 9 out of 10, startup ecosystem 9.5 out of 10. Stress level will be very high and return of investment is excellent. Now, final conclusion, IIT Delhi is one of the India's best institutions for engineering research, startup and placements. It offers allied peer groups, massive career opportunities, and strong corporate exposure and one of the best ecosystem in India. Now we have also provided uh, after the video some important useful resources link IIT Delhi official websites, admission portal, placement portal links, and IIT Delhi hostel information. The PDFs are also attached. You can go and check it. And that is, if you enjoyed this detailed documentary style review, like the video, comment your dream IIT, subscribe to Dekho Result Official, and tell us which college should we review next. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.